Hey everyone, looking for the perfect vegetable curry cooking pot that delivers rich flavor every time? In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 6 best cooking pots for home cooks, tech lovers, and health-focused foodies. From smart pressure cookers to premium Dutch ovens, these picks will transform your curry game. Let's find your perfect kitchen companion. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest smart kitchen reviews.
Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker is a game changer for busy home cooks and tech lovers. This versatile appliance replaces multiple kitchen tools, functioning as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. For vegetable curry, it dramatically reduces cooking time while locking in nutrients and flavor. Its one-touch smart programs make it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The stainless steel inner pot ensures even heat distribution, preventing burning or sticking. Fitness fans will appreciate its ability to cook healthy meals quickly with minimal oil. Plus, the safety features, including overheat protection and a secure locking lid, provide peace of mind. If you want speed, convenience, and consistent results, this is one of the best vegetable curry cooking pots available today.
Number 2. Lodge Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Dutch Oven. The Lodge Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Dutch Oven is perfect for traditional curry lovers who value deep, rich flavors. Cast iron retains heat exceptionally well, allowing your vegetable curry to simmer slowly and develop complex taste profiles. This pot comes pre-seasoned, so you can start cooking right away without extra preparation. It's incredibly durable and can last for generations with proper care. Ideal for stovetop or oven use, it offers versatility for different cooking styles. Home cooks love how evenly it distributes heat, reducing the risk of hot spots. It's also great for making large batches of curry for family meals. While it requires a bit of maintenance, the flavor payoff is worth it. If you enjoy authentic cooking, this pot is a must-have.
Number 3. Tefal Specialty Nonstick Stockpot with Lid. The Tefal Specialty Nonstick Stockpot with Lid is an excellent choice for those who want easy cooking and cleanup. Its nonstick interior prevents food from sticking, making it ideal for vegetable curry with thick sauces. This pot is lightweight compared to cast iron, making it easy to handle and perfect for everyday use. The heat base ensures even cooking, so your curry turns out consistent every time. It also features comfortable handles and a vented glass lid, allowing you to monitor your cooking without losing heat. For busy households or beginners, this pot simplifies the entire cooking process. It's affordable, reliable, and efficient, making it one of the best budget-friendly vegetable curry cooking pots on the market.
Number 4. Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Signature Dutch Oven. The Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Signature Dutch Oven is a premium option for serious home cooks. Known for its exceptional craftsmanship, this pot offers superior heat retention and even cooking, which is essential for perfect vegetable curry. The enamel coating eliminates the need for seasoning and makes cleaning easier than traditional cast iron. Its tight-fitting lid locks in moisture and flavor, ensuring rich and aromatic results. This pot is also visually stunning, adding elegance to your kitchen. While it comes at a higher price point, the performance and durability justify the investment. If you want restaurant-quality curry at home, this Dutch oven delivers unmatched results.
Number 5. All-Clad HA1 Expert Hard Anodized Nonstick. The All-Clad HA1 Expert Hard Anodized Nonstick Pot combines durability with modern design. Its hard anodized aluminum construction ensures fast and even heating, which is crucial for cooking vegetable curry efficiently. The nonstick surface allows for healthier cooking with less oil, perfect for fitness enthusiasts. It's oven-safe and compatible with most stovetops, adding versatility to your kitchen. The sleek design and sturdy handles make it easy to use and long-lasting. This pot is ideal for those who want a balance between performance and convenience. Whether you're cooking a quick weekday curry or experimenting with new recipes, this pot delivers consistent results every time. Number 6. Green Pan Valencia Pro Ceramic Nonstick Stockpot.
The Green Pan Valencia Pro Ceramic Nonstick Stockpot is a fantastic eco-friendly option. Its ceramic nonstick coating is free from harmful chemicals, making it a healthier choice for cooking vegetable curry. It heats evenly and quickly, ensuring your curry cooks perfectly without burning. The durable construction and scratch-resistant surface make it long-lasting. It's also dishwasher safe, saving you time on cleanup. This pot is especially great for health-conscious users who want safe and efficient cookware. With its modern design and excellent performance, it stands out as one of the best vegetable curry cooking pots available today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Check the links in the description for prices and details. Let me know your favorite cooking pot below, and I'll see you in the next video.